Rolling cigarettes, we drove our mopeds everywhere, smoke rising to the gods. We knew nothing back then, even though we thought we did. We were young and dumb. Now every time I hear those mopeds roaring through the night, it takes me back to those times. When I was younger, I was wilder.